Includes 1 3-Oz tube of Gold Bond Ultimate Healing Hand Cream. Nourishing Moisture. This hand cream contains 7 intensive moisturizers, plus vitamins A, C and E. Lasts through hand washing. Gold Bond Healing Hand Cream repairs dry, problem hands, even after washing your hands. Dermatologist-tested. This Gold Bond Ultimate Hand Cream has been tested by dermatologists and is hypoallergenic. Fragrance-free. This non-greasy body lotion is quick-absorbing and is fragrance-free. You're washing your hands a lot these days. Protect them with Gold Bond Ultimate Healing Hand Cream. Formulated with 7 intensive moisturizers, plus vitamins A, C and E, this hand cream nourishes as it repairs dry, problem skin. Gold Bond hand cream absorbs quickly and is non-greasy. It even lasts through hand washing because it adds a protective layer of moisture every time you use it. Best of all, this hand cream is hypoallergenic, making it suitable for all skin types. Gold Bond Ultimate Healing Hand Cream is also dermatologist-tested. Stock up on 3-Oz tubes of Gold Bond Healing Hand Cream so you always have nourishing moisture on hand. Keep one on your desk, by your nightstand, or in your bag. Top reviews from the United States. My go-to hand lotion of all time. I have been using this hand lotion for 2 years now. I was using different ones up until I found this. I love it. I gave my mom a bottle and she is loving it too. It feels a bit clammy at the time of applying, but it goes away very quickly.